Hi everyone, I wanted to talk a little bit about the infographic project that we have this semester. So if we sign in to our microbiology Blackboard page, this page is for students that are in the 1B MA section, we can see right here. However, same thing applies for the 1B MB section. Let me hop into student preview, where we can take a look. So if we click down here to assignments, let's try and minimize that if we can. There we go. Okay, and we click into Infographic. Our assignment information is here. Topic sign-up sheet is here. So to sign up for a topic, you can see I have a list of available topics. There's a number of students that have already signed up for topics. And if you're interested in any topic already chosen by a student, so let's say you wanted to do tuberculosis, Ellie signed up for it, there's still room for someone else to sign up. You can just put your name right here. And we still have space for 2 more topics. So feel free to write down your own topic, put your name down, so on and so forth. Even if someone did put their name here next to Ellie's for tuberculosis, it does not mean you and Ellie are in a group. By any means, it just means that you just have the same topic. So that's a look at our topic sign-up sheet. If we hop back over here to infographic assignment information, we can see what an infographic is. And really best way to explain it would be it is an electronic poster. So all of your information is kind of on the screen. You can scroll up or down, but you really don't want to have the slides that you click through. That's more of a, PowerPoint type or Google Slides presentation. This is a little bit different. This is kind of a poster or a brochure that is all electronic. I do provide you with 3 websites that you can use, and I'll show you how to use these in just a moment. Let's just talk about what we need with your graphic. So of course, the title of your topic, so tuberculosis, for example, your name and your course section, those 3 absolutely need to be on your graphic. Also on your graphic, these bullet points right here, just make certain they're there in some fashion. The order, arrangement, how you do it, all of that is completely up to you. The cool thing about an infographic is it allows a lot of creativity. So a lot of pictures, changes in fonts, you can make these as visually appealing as you wish. And that's kind of your goal, is to make them look really, really good. You just don't want to have something kind of boring with a bunch of bullet points. You really want to do your best to kind of go over the top and really grab the reader's interest. References, yes, you need 3 credible sources. So, something like Wikipedia does not count as a credible source. Something like World Health Organization does, or Centers for Disease Control and Prevention does. Those are .gov sites. So make certain your sources are credible. You can always email me, text me, ask me if a source is credible or not. Submission, I'll show you how to submit it very soon. And here is how you will be graded. Okay, so I have a rubric, and just want to make certain you do everything in this column right here. Make certain you have all of the content. Everything is very well organized, not sloppy, and it allows the reader to kind of, flow through your information very, very neatly. Visually appealing, you want to have a lot of color and images, as many as you can. That's really going to help to draw attention. You want the 3 sources, and you want to absolutely please double, triple check it for grammar errors, punctuation, spelling errors, so on and so forth. And start so you can see how you can lose points if those accumulate. That's all how you'll be graded. So let's talk about these sites, and let's also talk about how you will submit it. So let's go to Canva first. So if we hop into Canva, I'm going to go ahead and log in. Okay, so I'm already logged in. All your designs, I created this flyer. You may have seen these around campus, but we can see it is literally a poster. So you put all of your information on, And once you have this, let me open this in the new editor, open a new editor. Over on this side is where you can add photos, text, different elements, shapes, and so on. You can see how cool some of these actually look. This one's kind of boring, just trying to get the point across to, whoops, did not mean to do that, to check out these courses. So anyways, and of course you can click on various parts of it and you can, edit, add pictures, so on and so forth. And then when you want to share it and submit it, you can click share. Share a link to edit. You don't want your reader to be able to edit it. So you click here, share a link to view. So now your viewer can only look at your document. You want to copy the link and then you'll submit it to me in Blackboard. And I'll show you how to do that shortly. Let me show you, let's do one more. Let's do piktochart. All three of these are pretty much the same. It's just the way that they work is a little bit different. You're gonna get the same product. Let's see, so try to create some fun syllabi over last couple of semesters, but here we happen to one that I created for a class I was taking. We can see what it looks like. Okay, so you have all the information on here, some pictures, you wanna have your name on there somewhere. And you can just kind of, add shapes, just kind of make it look cool, best way you can, little pictures wherever. But you want to make certain you have all of the content as you see on the assignment sheet right here. So you want to make certain you have all of that. So back here, so if you wanted to share it with your instructor, you want to share it with me, you can click share. This one allows you to download. Many of them you cannot download unless you upgrade, and when you upgrade you have to pay, and by no means do you have to pay to submit your documents. There's always a way around it. This one, let's see, piktochart, it looks like, yeah, to do a PDF you have to level up, which means you have to pay. You could have this format, it's not the greatest. So best way to really share it, so you want to click share. And the only way you can share it, if you click this link, it will not work. It's just going to take me to the sign-in page. So the only way to share it would be here. Make this link public. You must click that button. And now it says anyone with the link will be able to view your visual. All you have to do, copy that link. And once you copy it, I'm trusting it's copied. If you're worried about it, you can always right-click and copy. What you would do to submit it is you would go to Submit Infographic Assignment. You can see the due date. And all you really need to do, write submission, is paste it. There it is. You can write me a little note if you want. And then also for your sources, it might be good to have a separate document. You can either paste the sources right here, or you can browse your computer and then find whatever. Let's say this is your, your sources. You can say open, and you have your sources attached, and then you can submit it to me, and then I'll be able to click on your link, and I'll also be able to view your sources. That's how we can submit the infographic. So that's what you're looking for your infographic assignment. Please text me, email me, hop into the Zoom meeting room if you have any questions on this assignment, but you really want to start early.